Good afternoon. We have done filling all the molds. Now I'll be taking it out of the mold and I'll show you how to color it now. Okay. This is a cup which we did yesterday and I did acrylic painting. If you see, I have used this. It is up to you to use all the colors fully or little bit or two colors. It's all up to you. I have done only one color, that was half. It's a pattern. Okay. Now I'll be showing you taking it from the mold. This is for the fridge magnet. Okay. See, as it is a silicone mold, just pull like this on all the four sides. It will leave the sides. The moment you give a pressure in the bottom, you will get it. You can see this is the flower pattern which this mold has already. And the same way, I am taking this alphabet M and V which I made yesterday. Okay. And these are the small beads which I made with the glue gun. This you can use in multiple places. It is very handy to do. Even you don't have beads in your dress, you can fix it. You can use in multiple ways. Okay. Now I'll show you how to color one or two pieces so you'll get an idea. And you can see certain things, thread is hanging, you can just pull and clean it. Just with your hand you can trim it, nothing to worry. Okay. Now I'll show you how to color. You can see some threads hanging. It's all the glue gun thread. M is ready now. Now I'll show you how to paint. I'm keeping the molds. I'm putting it back again. So let me not miss it. One base I'm showing you for the earring. This for the locket. This alphabets. I'm keeping it inside the rest. Now I'll show you how to paint. Let us now first take this. You can take any vibrant colors. Okay. Let's take pink, as always girls like pink. I've taken acrylic colors. You can't use watercolor or poster color. You have to use the same acrylic colors or glass colors. Okay. You get in many brands, Camlin, Fevicryl. It's all up to you to buy, but it should be acrylic colors. You can roughly do it because it's just a fridge magnet. Even this finish will look nice. Okay. Now I'm keeping it here. We can put golden dust if you want on top of this. I'm just closing this. This is the golden dust. This is also the same as it is wet, it will stick. It is not a liquid. As it is wet, this gold dust powder will stick. You need to drop it when it is wet. It gives some different texture. Okay, this is done. Now I'll be doing the earrings. I'm just winding it up. Now I'm going to paint the earrings with the sky blue, the same acrylic color. It will be very pretty. This earring will really look nice. You can wear this transparent also, the same self color, but putting color looks nice. If you don't have acrylic colors, you can use nail colors also. Nail colors means nail polish. The glitter nail polish, then you don't want to buy any high quality. Normal 10 rupees nail polish will very well do for this. The next locket I'll just do with nail polish color. See, the earring is now done. Okay. Don't pull it with the brush strokes as it might give you lines. Just dab like this where the paint sufficiently settled. So your earring is now done. I'll now do the locket with the nail colors, so you'll have an idea. As I said, I'm going to do the rest with the nail colors. Any brand you can use any color. It's all up to your taste and choice. I'm using light pink on this, metallic pink on this. It looks so pretty with nail colors actually. As I need to hold, you can't see it clearly. It's okay, but I'll anyway show you once I'm done. Is now done. I have done the one side. Once it is dry, you can do the other side also. But for the earring, I won't be doing, as it will just hide behind your earlobes. And even the locket, I'll be fixing it on some other base, so I won't do it at the back. If you want, you can do it at the back also. Because normally, since we stuck the other side, you need not do the coloring. Okay? If it is like going to be an item which is going to be displayed in showcase, you need to do. Otherwise, you need not do. Now I'll do for the alphabets. Okay? I'm taking black color, nail color. It looks really good. I'm doing it for the alphabet V. I'm going to stick this in a keychain. So I won't be doing all the sides. I'll just do only the top. The sides will look transparent for me. I'm going to put this M in metallic brown. See? It already has glitters, so you don't want to put any glitters in this. Even on top of this, instead of using the acrylic dust, you can use glitters also. Glitters, normal glitters, the children glitters also you can use. Now I am putting silver dust. See how nice it looks. So now the magnet is ready, alphabets are ready, and pendant and this is ready. Now I'll show you how to fix the magnet behind the magnet holder. Now I'm going to show you how to fix the magnet in this. Okay, I've taken Fevicol. Fevicol I have in the large container, as I do in the large quantity. Others you can use even 5 rupees too. Okay, I've just taken a little bit. Keep it in the center. This is the ready-made magnets which you get in all stationery shops. All these are available in the basic stationery shops. It is now ready. Let it dry for at least half an hour. Okay. Now I'll show you how to fix this alphabet in the keychain. This is leather keychain. I'm just going to fix my daughter's name alphabet here and son's alphabet here. As this is merging with this color, I might leave or I might put one shade gold color also. Now I'll show you how to fix. Taken Fevicol. See, as this is going to be covered, there is no need for you to paint. Kept M here. Okay. Now done this. Now as it is merging with the same color, I'm going to put gold. I thought it will go well, but this is the same shade. So I'll be finishing this M with this gold acrylic colors. I'm using only acrylic and nail colors, no other colors I'm using, and no other colors will fix into this. Even you might try glass colors, sometimes fix, no issues, but poster colors, watercolors I have tried, it is not. Okay, M is done and V is done. So the keychain is over, magnet is also over, and this is there. I'll be putting blue color in this and show you. I'm going to show you how to color the other color in this. I'm using a different shade of blue. This is neither turquoise nor navy, it is ultramarine. I'm going to, it's a double shade I'm doing. It will be done for all the, it will be done completely. See, now I have colored the entire base with the two colors, and now I'm showing you one more tip to make it more colorful. Using the brush backside, I'm just slightly touching the color. Right? This gives more. Like this you can. It is done. See, the earring bases ready now, and we'll show you for this locket also. Now this locket I'm designing more with the yellow color. It is not a matching locket, but still I'm just showing you the different varieties. If you want, you can make matching. I am not making any matching patterns. Okay. Yes, it's done. Good morning. Now, yesterday the very first video I made all these small beads or buttons, whatever be. Now I'll be showing you how to use and where all it can be used. Okay, I'll just give you tips also. This is the glass lampshade. I'm going to decorate this with this. Already I have done with the bigger size. Okay, now I'm using the small size also. Take a little bit of glue, apply in the center. I'm using it as a pollen. Like this, I'm using in between all the flowers. You can leave like that, or you can even color. Okay. Almost it is done.